Good morning, madam. My name is Yogesh Murugan. My metric number is 291661. Today, I am excited to present our project, which is development of a worldwide travel booking application for Sinto Travel Agency. Let me introduce my team members, Divya Kaliselvan, Rubini Kumaran, and Nur Fahira Ilyana. Today, we are privileged to introduce the key stakeholders driving the success of the STA travel booking application project. Firstly, Divya Kalaiselvan, our dedicated project manager, plays a pivotal role in overseeing the entire project, ensure seamless coordination, manage the project team, and keeps us on track to achieve our objectives. Next, Nurul Fahira Ilyana binti Muhammad Zulkifli, our human resource manager, is instrumental in managing recruitment, onboarding, training, and performance management, ensure our team is well equipped to deliver excellence. Next is Rubini Kumaran, our dynamic marketing manager, develops and implements strategy to promote the new booking application. Efforts are crucial in ensuring our application effectively research and engage our target audience. Next is Yogesh Murugan, our skilled technical IT, spearhead our booking application technical development and integration. Expertise ensure the application meets high standard of functionality and reliability. Next is Madam Fahida binti Abdul Raza, our esteemed supervisor, provides invaluable oversight throughout the project process. Guidance ensure cohesion and progress alignment with our goals. Lastly, Mahindan Muniadi, our delighted internal customer, identify and addresses the needs of STAs and internal departments and staff. Insights are crucial for ensuring our application meets internal operational requirements seamlessly. Sinto Travel Agency has thrived for over 10 years in the travel and tourism industry, providing top-notch services. However, the rise of new technology and changing customer preferences now demands that STA adapt. Previously, STA communicated with clients via phone and email, but these methods are outdated in today's digital world. Customers now expect integrated, immediate, and personalized booking solutions that are user-friendly, secure, and capable of handling multiple reservations. Business owners also seek instant support and real-time information. To ensure customer satisfaction and operational efficiency, STA must adopt emerging technologies. The travel industry is highly competitive with many companies continuously improving their services. Recognizing this, STA aims to update its infrastructure to match and surpass competitors, driving positive change through advanced technology. This project aims to enhance customer value, boost internal efficiency, and support sustainable growth. Sinto Travel Agency faces challenges in integration new technology with its legacy systems, including potential capabilities issues and service disruption. This transition requires careful planning and might necessitate additional staff training or hiring external consultants. Managing customer expectation during this period is crucial, especially to avoid confusing or frustrating customers and to support less tech-savvy travelers. However, the project offers sustainable opportunities. Advanced data analytics can provide insight into customer behavior, enabling personalized travel experiences and target marketing. AI and automation can improve efficiency and reduce costs with AI-powered chatbots, handling inquiry and automate processes, streamlining routine tasks. Adapting blockchain technology for secure transaction can also enhance customer trust and position STA as a leader in secure travel services.
Hi, my name is Divya Notraf Kaliselvin and my metric number is 292291. Today, I would like to brief about measurable organization value. Measurable organization value give a big impact in terms of user and financial. They also give a big value to provide a user-friendly platform consolidating all booking services. There are three metrics included in this MOV. The first one is to increase customer satisfaction by 20% and reduce booking related customer complaints by 30% by launching a user friendly platform that consolidates all booking services. The second one is to increase customer engagement by 25% and boost sales from targeted promotions by 50% through data analytic driven personalized travel recommendation. Last but not least, to reduce transaction fraud incident by 50% and increase customer trust by 20% by implementing blockchain technology for secure and transparent financial transaction. There are time limit in this MOV. The time limit is 6 months and the verified is doable. In summarize, by implement this measurable organization value, the implementation is a user-friendly booking platform, data analytic for personalized recommendation, and blockchain technology to enhance customer satisfaction engagement and trust while reducing complaints from customers. Next, I would like to brief about the project scope of STA. The main purpose of Sintok Travel Agency, which is STA, is to provide travel services and booking solution to customers, including students, staff, individuals in Sintok area near University Utara Malaysia. STA aims to offer a range of travel services such as bus ticket, shuttle services, train and air tickets, and hotel accommodation in Malaysia. Additionally, STA provide package tourists to our operators and its own schedule to cater the needs of customers, especially during peak travel. There are seven projects in scope in STA. The first one is development and implementation of a unified booking system integration, airline, hotel, bus and train services into a single platform accessible via web and mobile application. The second one is implementation of robust cybersecurity measure to protect customer data, including encryption, secure access control, and regular security audits. The third one is comprehensive training and programs for employee to ensure proficiency in using the new booking application and related technologies. The fourth one is integration of AI-powered chatbot within the booking application to provide instant customer support. The fifth one is utilization of data analytics for personalized travel recommendation and targeted promotion. And the sixth one is implementation of blockchain technology for secure financial transaction. Last but not least, deployment of centralized customer relationship management, which is CRM system, to improve efficiency and enhance communication. There are three elements in terms of project of out of scope. The first one is physical infrastructure, changes or upgrade at STAS physical location. The second one is marketing strategies and campaign beyond the implementation of targeted promotion based on data analytics. The third one is operational changes unrelated to the booking system and employee training, customer service enhancement, and financial transaction.
I'm Rumni Kumaran. Now I will be explaining the project schedule summary for our project. So this schedule is divided into several key phases, each with specific tasks and timelines to ensure our project successfully completion. So our first phase is project conception and initiation. From July 1 to July 14, we will determine the project goal and objective, conduct initial research, define scope, identify the stakeholders, and develop a high-level project planning. As you can see here, our phase 2 is project charter. Between July 15 and July 18, we will draft, review, receive, and option approval for the project charter. Our phase 3 is project planning. From July 13 to August 13, we will gather the detailed requirement, create a comprehensive project planning, and develop a work breakdown structure. We will also identify the resource, conduct risk assessment, and finalize the planning stage. Our phase 4 is project scheduling and costing scheduling. So for this from August 21 to August 27, this will include the budget allocation, schedule review, and finalize the project schedule and budget. Fifth phase is project monitoring and controlling. So in this critical phase, span from August 29 to November 21, we will monitor the progress, conduct risk assessment, review the deliverables, implement corrective action, and conduct the status meeting. Our last phase is project implementation, closure, and evaluation. This phase from November 22 to December 31. We will deploy the application conduct testing, train user, perform closure activity, and conduct the post-project evaluation. So as a conclusion for this part, our project will progress through a structured schedule, ensuring that all the tasks are complete on the time within the scope. This detailed timeline will help us to stay on correct track and address any issue promptly. Let's see our budget for our new system development project. The total budget for this project is estimated at Rm 3,128,000. This budget has been meticulously allocated across different phases to ensure the successful execution and completion of the project. So let's look at the budget by phases. The first phase is project initiation is allocated Rm 150,000. This includes the logistic and arrangement for stakeholder meeting and the initial project setup. The second phase is project charter has been budget Rm 100,000. It's covering the development of the project charter and the stakeholder approval process. The third phase is planning phase, which allocated Rm 200,000, which include the detailed project planning, resource allocation, and risk management planning. Project scheduling and cost is budget at Rm 150,000 for developing a detailed schedule and finalizing the project budget. Next, for project monitoring and controlling, we have allocated Rm 1,128,000. This include regular monitoring, risk management, process review, and quality assurance and testing. Finally, the project implementation, closure, and evaluation phase is budget at Rm 1,400,000. This covering the application development and launch, project close activities, and post-project evaluation and reporting. So for each phases, we have been carefully planned to ensure all necessary tasks are completed efficiently. By following structured project management practice and ensure the optimal resource allocation, we aim to develop a robustness and effective system that meet user and enhance the overall productivity. Enhance operational excellence at Sinto Travel Agency. Firstly, prioritizing data security is paramount. By implementing robust measures like encryption, access controls, regular security audits, we ensure compliance with data protection laws. This shield customer information from unauthorized access, fostering trust and loyalty. Secondly, comprehensive employee training programs are pivotal. These programs not only familiarize our team with audience booking technologies but also promote productivity through flexible schedules and performance incentives. Encouraging a feedbacks loop foster continuous improvement and innovation within our workforce. Thirdly, enhanced customer experience is pivotal. Introducing AI-powered chatbots into our booking application improve responsiveness and satisfaction. Leveraging data analytics enables personalized travel recommendations and targeted advertising enhance customer interaction and retentions. The ST travel booking application project require the following resources. Firstly, in terms of people, we need a dedicated project manager who will oversee coordination and management. IT specialists will handle system integration, cybersecurity, and technical support to ensure the application runs smoothly. Trainers are essential for conducting comprehensive employee training session. Customer service representative will enhance customer interaction, while the marketing team will manage promotional campaigns and customer outreach. Secondly, crucial technological resources include a unified booking system for streamlined operation, cybersecurity, tools to protect customer data, AI-powered chatbots for improved customer support, blockchain technology for secure transaction, and data analytic platform to analyze customer preference and trends. Regarding facilities, we need sustainable office space that includes meeting rooms for discussion and planning, dedicated trainings, facilities for employee development, and a secure server room to host the application and safeguard data. Lastly, other necessary resources encompass marketing materials and resources to promote the application effectively, comprehensive documentation for operational guidelines, essential communication and collaboration tools for team emerging, access to external services for specialized needs, and adequate financial resources to fund the project development and ongoing operations.
The assumptions used to develop estimates include various technology, infrastructure, operational efficiency, service quality, and customer satisfaction factors. It is assumed that adopting new technologies will enhance efficiency and customer satisfaction without significant implementation issues or staff resistance, and that these technologies will integrate seamlessly with existing systems, preventing disruptions and data inconsistencies. Additionally, it is anticipated that new technologies and streamlined operations will lead to substantial efficiency gains, with STA effectively managing and controlling operational costs while expanding services and market reach. Furthermore, it is expected that increased responsiveness to customer requests and maintaining or improving service quality can be achieved without a proportional increase in cost. Finally, enhancing the corporate image and offering new services are presumed to boost customer loyalty and market share. Key risks in the project include integration challenges with the booking platform, AI-powered chatbot development delays, data analytics implementation issues, and blockchain integration for financial transactions. The difficulty in integrating all booking services like flights, hotels, car rentals, activities into a single, seamless platform has both a high probability of occurrence and high impact. To mitigate this risk, a thorough requirement analysis and system designs will be conducted. Experienced developers and integration specialists will be employed. Regular testing and iteration will take place during the development phase, and a contingency plan for phase integration will be set up if full integration prove too complex. AI-powered chatbot development delays, which have a medium probability and medium impact, present another risk. These delays can be mitigated by partnering with established AI and chatbot vendors, piloting the chatbot on a smaller scale before full deployment, and monitoring chatbot performance to make necessary adjustments based on feedback. Data analytics implementation challenges also pose a medium probability and high impact risk. To address this, proven data analysis platforms and tools will be utilized. Data quality and accuracy will be ensured through rigorous data governance, and staff will be trained on the use of these data analytics tools. Lastly, blockchain integration for financial transaction presents a medium probability and high impact risk. This can be mitigated by engaging blockchain technology experts, starting with a pilot project to test feasibility, and ensuring that all regulatory compliance and security measures are in place. Project faces several non-constraints, including imposed deadlines, budget limitations, technology requirements, regulatory compliance, operational challenges, and market expectations. The sponsor has requested the project to be completed within 6 months, necessitating efficient project management and strict adherence to the schedule. To mitigate this, a detailed project plan with clear milestones and buffer periods will be developed with regular monitoring and adjustment as needed. The fixed budget of RM3,128,000 must cover all aspects of the project, including technology integration, development, training, marketing, and risk management. This requires a detailed budget with contingencies for unexpected costs and prioritization of essential components to ensure that core objectives are met within the allocated budget. The project also necessitates the use of specific technology tools and platforms such as advanced booking systems, AI-powered chatbots, data analytics tools, blockchain technology, and a centralized CRM system. These technologies must integrate with existing airline reservation system and hotel booking service. To ensure compatibility, thorough requirement analysis and system design will be conducted, and experienced developers and technology experts will be engaged. Ensuring the security of financial transactions, particularly with the implementation of blockchain technology, is crucial for maintaining customer trust and regulatory compliance. Robust security measures and thorough testing of the blockchain system will be employed, with protocol adjusted as regulatory changes occur. Operational constraints include balancing employee training on new system with maintaining regular operations. This challenge will be addressed by scheduling training sessions in phases to minimize disruptions, utilizing online training modules for flexibility, and providing ongoing support and resources to help employees adapt to new technologies. Finally, meeting high customer expectation for seamless, user-friendly booking experience and responsive support is essential for maintaining customer satisfaction and loyalty. This will be achieved through a focus on user-centric design, thorough testing of the booking platform and chatbots, and continuously collecting and acting on customer feedback to improve services. The success of STS IT project relies heavily on both internal and external dependencies within and outside the organization. Internally, it depends on ongoing or upcoming technology platform integration projects, such as upgrading or integrating with airline reservation system and hotel booking systems. Delays or issues in these projects can impact the IT project's timeline and functionality, necessitating alignment with internal IT teams, joint planning session, regular updates, and buffer periods to accommodate potential delays. Additionally, the project depends on the successful upgrade of the Human Resource Information System, HRIS, which manage employee records, training schedules, and performance tracking. Any delay in the HRIS upgrade can affect the scheduling and effectiveness of employee training programs for the new technologies. Coordination with the HR department and contingency plans for training programs are essential. Enhancement to the financial management system, such as improved cash flow, monitoring, and funding management, are also crucial. Delays in this enhancement can hinder effective budget tracking and cash flow management, requiring collaboration with the finance department and integration of financial tracking features into project management tools. Externally, the IT projects depends on external vendors for the development and integration of software solutions such as AI-powered chatbots, data analytics tools, and blockchain technology. Delays or issues with vendor software development can disrupt the project timeline and functionality. Selecting reliable vendors with penalty clauses for delays, maintaining regular communication, and having contingency plans in place are necessary strategies. The project must also align with external regulatory compliance projects such as updates to Malaysia's Personal Data Protection Act, PDPA. Non-compliance can result in legal penalties and damage to STS reputation, so staying informed about regulatory changes and incorporating compliance requirements into the project plan, along with regular compliance audit, is crucial. Collaborative projects with partner travel agencies for purchasing and selling prepackaged tours and franchising efforts are essential for STS market expansion. Coordination issues or delays with partner agencies can affect the availability and quality of travel packages, necessitating formal agreements, clear responsibilities and timelines, and consistent communication and collaboration with partners. The IT project serves as a core integration initiative, consolidating various booking services and customer relationships management into a unified platform. It is crucial for enabling STS franchising and global expansion plans by providing scalable and efficient technological solutions. Additionally, by implementing advanced technologies like AI-powered chatbots and data analytics, the project aims to significantly enhance customer experience and satisfaction. Finally, it focuses on improving operational efficiency through centralized system and streamlined process. supporting overall organizational effectiveness.
Next, about the project administration. In terms of change management plan, to ensure a smooth transition to the new booking application, we should provide a comprehensive training program and resource to equip employees with the necessary skills and knowledge. By developing a clear and consistent communication plan that includes regular updates, progress report, and feedback mechanism using multiple channels to reach stakeholders group. Besides that, we should also celebrate milestones and achievements throughout the project to boost morale and engagement, acknowledging their effort of all involved. Last but not least, continuously monitor progress, gather feedback, and evaluate the effectiveness of the implemented strategies, making adjustments as needed to address challenges and refine approaches by ensuring the success adoption of the new system. In terms of communication plan, we can utilize Microsoft Outlook or Gmail for formal communication, scheduling meeting, and managing contact, while Microsoft Teams serves as the instant messaging platform for quick and staff communication, file sharing, and integration with other business applications. For virtual meeting or training section or consultation with clients and partners, especially for remote work or international communication, employee can use Zoom or Microsoft Teams. To enhance productivity and reduce version control issue, we can use Google Workspace or Microsoft 365 for real-time document collaboration on documents, spreadsheet, and presentation. There are five terms in scope management plan. The first one is scope statement. In scope statement, we should define the project scope, objectives, deliverable, and constraint related to the development and implementation of the travel booking application. And we should ensure it will align with the STS business objectives and the desired outcome of the project. Once we're done with the scope statement, we'll go to the scope planning. By in scope planning phase, we should develop a detailed plan outlining how the project scope will be defined, validated, and controlled throughout the project lifecycle. And we should identify key stakeholders involved in scope management and their roles and responsibilities. Third one is scope definition. By clearly define the features, functionalities, and requirement of the travel booking application, we can collaborate with stakeholders together and document detailed scope requirement to ensure a comprehensive understanding of a project deliverable. Then we go for a scope verification. In scope verification, we should establish process validating project deliverable against the defined scope to ensure that they meet the agreed upon requirements and the quality standard. By conducting regular reviews and inspection to confirm that deliverables align with stakeholders' expectation. Last but not least, work breakdown structure, which is WBS. Develop a WBS to decompose the project scope into management work packages, tasks, and activities. Organize the WPS hierarchy to facilitate resource allocation, scheduling, and monitoring of project progress.
Next is quality management. It is crucial to ensure that all deliverables meet the highest standard. So we will establish the quality benchmark and performance metric to define our quality objective. The regular quality audit and the review will be conducted throughout the project lifecycle. Continuing the testing include unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and user acceptance testing. Will ensure the application performance and functionality. By monitoring the quality metrics and addressing the deviation promptly, we will maintain the overall quality of the project deliverables. Next is human resource plan. An effective human resource management is an essential for the success of this project. So we will start by the identifying the human resource required, both internal and external, and developing a resource allocation plan. The staffing will involve requiring and assigning the project staff based on our planning outcomes. Our new team member will be on board and trained to align with the project objective. We also engaged in ongoing training, team building activities, and continuous feedback to foster a collaborative work environment. And then the performance management will include regular monitoring, performance review, and recognize of high performance, ensuring the continuous improvements. Last but not least, the implementation and project closure plan. The implementation of the worldwide travel booking application will be meticulously planned. So we will develop a comprehensive development plan outlining the development strategy, training, support, and communication plans. For the potential risk, we will be identify and mitigate the strategies will be established. Development will be executed with the minimal distribution to existing operations with the training and supporting provided to the user. Upon completion, final evaluation and assessment will confirm that all objectives have been met. A project closure meeting will be held with stakeholders to review accomplishment and a final project report will be summarize the project achievement and key takeaways.
Once we have a proper project administration, then our project closure planning will be ensure the successful delivery of the worldwide traveling block application. That's all from me. Thank you.